I just wanted to show what a filler neck looks like. This is for a 96 Toyota Camry. I got this at a local auto parts store. It's part F as in Frank and as in Nancy 512. This cost me $88 plus tax, so it came to about $95. But still in the packaging, obviously. But this is what it looks like here. This is where you, put the gas pump in. And then you have to put it up underneath. I'm getting it installed today. And then it goes all the way down here. And then this part would be underneath the car where it bends. And then here's where it attaches to the actual gas tank. And then here's the main tube, and then this tube here on the side. I just wanted to show, kind of just bends. It goes down and then it just does a bend. Supposedly this is an exact fit for my 96 Camry. What had happened was all the lines had rusted out. It rusted out in the middle, right about here, and then it rusted out right about here. So tried to do a quick fix with a hose. Yeah, and then it just rusted out in another spot, so figured might as well go all out and buy the actual genuine part.